Welcome back to the Pure Foresight, the only channel where everything you learn sticks and every insight counts. If you're new here, don't worry, me too. You haven't missed anything interesting yet. But in case you want to catch up, just have a look at our first video where we learn about the channel and our purposes. Today, I'm excited to announce you the debut of our first projects. And the name of these projects will be Pages, a book summarizing series. Wait, I have a little story for you. Before I even wanted to start this channel, I always wanted to be recognized as someone skilled and well instructed. Despite a successful educational life, I often felt like I couldn't hold a deep and knowledgeable conversation with anyone. This was rooted in a thought that I had back then in my high school years. People that pursue scientific fields are doomed to be weak in literature and modern discussions. Sure, if you keep digging into algebra, mathematics, chemistry, biology, and even computer science book, of course you are setting your brain for matters that you think would serve you in your future. It's normal, but no one stops you from opening Le Faubourg des Scapins by Molière. I really like this book. Anyway, let's move on. I don't know about you, but today I'm glad that I decided not to live by this postulate anymore, because even today, when we are talking about artificial intelligence in a world where being a scientist, an engineer, seems to be closer to God, I'm glad that we still feel the need to hold on our languages, our emotions, our feelings. Keep that in mind. A truly successful AI model will be the one that will be able to understand all the shades of the human emotional roller coaster. You all know about or heard about prompt engineering, but what you might not know is that mastering prompt engineering is no more than mastering human language's nuances, the syntax, the semantics, the pragmatics. In that sense, reading enhances the individual ability to understand a variety of writing styles, vocabularies, and linguistic structures, enhancing their ability to construct well-formed and good and contextually rich prompts. Mastering prompt engineering is being able to communicate effectively, understanding how to communicate ideas clearly and concisely so that the machine can interpret them correctly. Mastering prompt engineering is also about contextual awareness. Understanding clearly the context is essential for providing the appropriate background for the machine to give us back relevant responses. In that sense, we all know that books often give us a bunch of information within a variety of contents. So reading and enhance one's ability to incorporate adequate background into prompts to make them effective. Mastering prompt engineering is also about having a broad knowledge base, knowledge of idiomatic expressions, cultural references, technical jargon. Those are crucial to construct specialized prompts. Reading a wide range of books gives us a large knowledge base that provides us with wealth of references, examples to draw from when constructing various prompts. Let me know in a comment what you think about reading. Back to the stories. Unconsciously, I pushed myself away from opening any book that was, for me at the time, irrelevant to my field of competency. But deep inside, I knew that that thought was keeping me from the realization of myself, my elevation intellectually, spiritually, emotionally. That's why today, for me, reading is not a pastime. It's a way to fill my emptiness. So being intellectually, emotionally enriched will be the ultimate goal of this book summarizing series. And I hope, at the very least, to inspire anyone watching to start loving the sound of pages turning. In our first projects, we will dive into some of the most inspiring, impactful books out there, at least to me, that I've read. I will try to break them down into easy to digest summaries, including my thoughts and my honest opinions. So whether you are looking for motivation, new insights, or just a good read, just know that pages will have something for you, one page at a time. And don't forget, you too have to start reading. By now, you know the lyrics. So if you're excited about the development of this project, please give us a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can't miss any of the new video or projects that are coming. I'd also love to hear from you. What books are you reading or trying to read? I would love to start reading them with you. You know what to do. Drop them below. See you